kitchen, and for some reason, every time this time of the night, I get a little hungry, get the munchies. Here's my recipe for super fast cookies. Alright, grab some flour, grab some milk. This is Carla's milk, it's my roommate. She labels her stuff, what a freak. Anyway, grab some vanilla, some chocolate, some sugar, some chocolate chips, tuna pate, yeah, let's do it, man. And some eggs. Start with the flour, add a little bit of milk, add some popcorn, seaweed, man, seaweed. Yeah, I think I really want to put a drop of lavender in just for the essence. Let's mix it all up. It's gonna be great. Alright, great. And just wait like 5 to 10 minutes and it's gonna be all ready, man. Let it cool off for a second. Guys, do me a big favor, okay? You have to go and follow me on Superfast Cookies on Twitter. And then you can like me at Superfast Cookies on Facebook as well. And don't forget to vote for me at Superfast Cookies on cookies.com. Oh my god.
That wasn't milk. Those weren't eggs.